Do you know that more than 85% people are doing yoga wrong? You want to practice yoga, but you have no idea how to begin. Which mentor to go? Which guru to go? Which video should I watch on YouTube? I'm totally confused. What is the right sequence of yoga? Should I do pranayama first or asana? If you have all these questions and if you really want to master your health, then I want to share with you good news today. Hey everyone, this is Rakesh Baluni. I'm a wellness coach and yogapreneur. I'm in the field of yoga more than 19 plus years, and I am the founder of Om Shanti Yoga and Belly Buster Hub. For the last many years, I've got a chance to come on different television as a guest panelist. I've written a book called Scientific Yoga for Corporate Success. I'm the author of that book. But today I want to talk about something else, which is important for you. Well, I know that post this pandemic, in fact, during this pandemic, we have lost so many lives. It's really sad. But after all, we came up to one conclusion that nothing else can save a life, not even money, not even power to some extent, but only one thing, how healthy we are, how good our immunity is. So, and then you decided to practice yoga, but you're totally confused. Which yoga really suits my body? If you have all these questions, then I want to share with you that coming this 14th of June till 30th June, I'm going to start a batch on yoga online where I'll be sharing with you a deep core concept of ancient philosophy of yoga. Plus, I'll be teaching you practical methodologies how you can learn yoga from the scratch. If you're a beginner, intermediate, then this workshop, this training is going to be for you. It is going to be 20% theoretical and 80% practical. What you will be getting in this workshop? The first and foremost thing I'll be sharing with you myths about yoga. What is yoga? Is it asana yoga, pranayama yoga? What is the role of meditation? I'll be sharing with you what is the first thing you need to do. Asana, pranayama, or something else. I'll be sharing you what is the right sequence. I will teach you that how to get into the yoga pose and how to come up with the yoga pose. I will be sharing with you as to why so many people make a lot of mistakes practicing yoga, getting no results. So if you really want to get the flex, what is the right way of getting more flexibility in the body, stamina, strength, sequence, then I invite you to part of this yoga batch, which is starting occasionally, and it starts especially on occasion of International Yoga Day coming on 21st of June. So be the part of this batch. Come and just call this number 783888877. Talk to my team and enroll yourself as quickly as possible, because I can assure you one thing, that I will give you something which can take your health to 10x, and this yoga training will give you a totally different experience altogether. With this, I invite you to be the part of this. I hope that you want to take care of your own health and your family. So please come, call this number, and I will see you inside on 14th of June. I'll send you all the details. Till then, you take care of yourselves. Have a good day. Bye bye.